Hey guys, and welcome back to the Slime Lab. It's Oliver, and today I am restocking my shop. So the link to my shop will be down below. Also, it is the SlimeLabStore.com if you would like to find it. Sorry about that. Also, I'll be restocking at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. And it's going to be a huge restock. And I'm so excited. There are tons of new slimes. I'm bringing back some old slimes and some twists on old slimes. So it's going to be really exciting, and let's get on to the slime video. So the first slime is called Cookies and Cream. It is a cloud cream slime. It is super sizzly and creamy and smooth. It is scented like coconut frosting because I think it smells like cookies and cream. I don't know. That's what the scent kind of smells like to me. It's super thick and clicky and super creamy and just sizzly and so nice. It is super creamy, holdable, and sizzly, and it also has some black foam beads for the crushed up cookie part. This next slime is called Cookie Butter. It is a super thick and glossy butter slime. It is super sizzly and spreadable and stretchy. It has really great clicks for butter slime, and it's scented like cookies. And this will only be available in 8 ounce. If I don't mention that it's not available in 4 ounce, then it will be available in 8 ounce and 4 ounce. The next slime is called Razzleberry Bubblegum Batter. This slime is a super thick and glossy sugar fluff slime. It has that sugar fluff texture. It is a pink sugar fluff with some fruit Fimo slices and is scented just like Razzleberry bubblegum. If you don't know what a sugar fluff is, it is the slime that I invented. This is a new version of it. If you would like to see the original, there is a video. It's called Sugar Fluffs Are Here. It's my restock video, and that's where I first introduced these beautiful slimes. So this next one is called Pink Posh Cake Pop. It is one of my best sellers. It is a very light pink with some dark purple beads. It is the glossiest slime you will ever find. It is so thick and so glossy and so thwacky, and it smells just like crumb cake, and it's just the best slime ever. I definitely recommend this one if you are going to buy. So this next slime is called Nerd Rope. This is also one of my best sellers. It is a super thick, clear-based metallic slime. It has assorted rainbow foam beads and fishbowl beads at the bottom. They're all various different colors. There are some diamonds, fake diamonds in it, and some heart sprinkles. So this next one is Sour Blue Razzleberry Limeade Popsicle. And the reason that the beads aren't fully rised to the top is because I just packaged up the slime, and it's not fully glossed, but when it is first taken out, it is so glossy and so thick. So this slime is Sour Blue Razzleberry Popsicle. It is a super thick and glossy and thwacky slime. It has jumbo blue beads and mini yellow beads for the Sour Blue Razzleberry Limeade thing. This slime is inspired by parakeet slimes. I put my own twist on it, and it's super creamy also and super stretchy, and I definitely recommend you get this one. This one is also scented like cucumber melon. This next slime is called Fairy Dust. It is a cloud slime. I'm not going to show you the actual slime. If you want to see the slime, it is in one of my videos. And it has green glitter at the top. It is a super stretchy cloud slime. And this one smells like green apples, and I definitely recommend this one. So this next slime is called Cinnamon Apple Butter. This is my second best selling slime. It is super thick and glossy. It is a clay slime. It smells just like butter. I mean like apple butter. And it's so thwacky. This is the #1 slime that I recommend you grab. And it is a glossy clay slime, and those are my favorite slimes. And it also has some red foam beads to represent the cinnamon, and I just love this. It also has great bubble pops and is semi-self-inflating. So this is the last slime. It is called Blue Day Cake. It is so thick and so glossy. It is a snow slime. It is a super thick. It is a little bit overactivated, so there is going to be a $1 discount off of the slime, but it is super stretchy still, and it smells just like cake, and it was supposed to be a cloud cream. It's sort of a little, it is definitely like a cloud cream, but it just has a little bit less snow, so it is a little bit less creamy, but the slime base is creamy, and I definitely recommend you grab this one. Plus, it's going to be really cheap. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this restocking video. All the slimes are super high quality and definitely the best. They're some of the cheapest slimes out there, and yeah. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget my restock is at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today on my website, theslimeupstore.com. And thank you guys for watching this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and a comment down below. And let me know what you think about my new setup. I like it, but I don't know if you guys like it. So, tell me down below. And, yep, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye!